Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at another case that was sent out to me for the Pocket 3 from Start RC. Now, as you guys can see, I currently have this case on. So this is the Pocket 3 4 cover case, and that's what we have on this unit right now. But they also sent me this case, which is the silicone case. Now this one is supposed to be different. I have not opened this box. I have no idea what's going to be in it. So we're going to do that together. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. Let's see what comes in the box. All right, first impressions. It is very well packaged, like most of their other things. So we're just going to pull everything out. That's pretty much everything that's in the box, as you guys can see. All right, let's see what else we got here. All right, this is the silicone case. Okay, I like that. I'm not saying that I would necessarily use this, but I could see a lot of people would really like this type of case. All right, nice foam. So this is going to give you some additional grip and protection for your Pocket 3 or 4. You guys can see that. And you got cutouts for every single position on here. So you don't have to worry about having access to your SD card, your lanyard, whatever it is that you want to use this for. And then you have this top piece that just kind of fits over, and it also protects the screen. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just put everything on the Pocket 3 and see exactly what it looks like. All right, there you have it. Now we have complete protection for a Pocket 3. You got this nice silicone protection on here protecting the screen. You still have access to the buttons, as I showed you guys before. Easy to deploy this. You can just easily pop this off. Now there's no lock in place. It doesn't click in or anything. It's just silicone. It just sits on it. But for the most part, if you're looking for something like this, this could be exactly what you're looking for. I like this style. Now I lean more toward the previous case that was on the Pocket 3. But if you are someone who's looking for something that's going to give you some color options, some texture options here, I think this might be a great option for you guys to take a look at. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this style of protection case. All right guys, it's been your buddy Rome, Rome Knows Tech, and I just wanted to show you guys really quickly here this cool little silicone case for your Pocket 3 or Pocket 4. Definitely take a look at it. All right guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.